Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Trezor with Exodus, only way. Begin by updating Trezor firmware and installing Exodus on your desktop, then connect the device via USB. Open Exodus, choose Wallet, and select Add Hardware Wallet to link Trezor. Export public keys only and confirm each address on the Trezor screen. Always verify transactions on the device before approving to maintain maximum security for your crypto. In this video, I will show how to use Trezor with Exodus, only way. With Trezor connected, open Exodus and navigate to Wallet, then pick the currency and choose Add Hardware Wallet. Approve the connection on the Trezor and allow Exodus to import public keys only. When receiving funds, always confirm the displayed address on your Trezor device matches Exodus to prevent address replacement attacks and keep your private keys off the internet. In this video, I will show how to use Trezor with Exodus, only way. Quick recommendation: if you like reading guides anywhere, the new Kindle Paperwhite makes following setup steps easy and comfy, whether you are on the couch or traveling. It loads fast, and the display is gentle on the eyes during long sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you found this helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to use Trezor with Exodus, only way. Create your transaction in Exodus, then confirm the details on the Trezor screen when prompted to sign. Always verify the amount and destination address as displayed on the Trezor device before approving to prevent tampering. After signing, Exodus broadcasts the transaction, while your private keys remain securely stored on the hardware wallet, ensuring secure custody of your crypto.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.